Today, we're creating a stylish rotating clones effect which gives your clip multiple rotating duplicates around the subject. Perfect for anime style edits, power ups, or action based visuals. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on the clip to select it. Now, go to the Effects button in the bottom toolbar. Next, tap Body Effects, then open the Clone tab. Here, look for an effect called Ninja Doubles and tap to apply it. You'll instantly notice rotating duplicate versions of your subject appearing around the main character. To refine the look, tap on the Ninja Doubles effect again to open its adjustment sliders. Intensity controls how strong the shake or motion of the clones appears. Increasing this makes the clones more energetic and noticeable. Lowering it softens their movement. Size adjusts how large the clone figures appear relative to the main subject. Increase for larger dramatic clones, decrease for subtle rotation. Amount sets how many clones appear around the subject. More clones equals bigger visual impact. Atmosphere controls clone opacity. Higher atmosphere makes them more visible. Lower atmosphere makes them ghost like and subtle. Play around with these to get the style you want, from chaotic anime action to smooth creative energy waves. Once you're done, preview the clip and you'll see the rotating clones moving stylishly around the subject. And that's it. You've created the rotating clones effect in CapCut Mobile. Try using it in dance videos, fight scenes, power ups, or dramatic transitions to give your edits extra flair. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.